Hi guys, I'm ConvicTech and this is the unboxing of the Ugoos UT3S, a TV box running Ubuntu natively from gearbest.com. Let's take a look at the specs. We have a Rockchip RK3288 1.8 GHz CPU. It's a Cortex A17 quad-core, a Mali T764 GPU, which says here it supports OpenGL 1.1, 2, 3, as well as DirectX 11 and 4K output, as well as 8K input. This particular model has 4 GB of DDR3 RAM and 32 GB of internal memory. Okay, let's open it and see what's in the box. Here's the box itself. We're gonna have a look in a little while. And in the box we find a very beautiful IR remote. Very nice. The power adapter, which is 5 volts 3 amps. An HDMI cable, good quality. It has a Ugoos logo too. The external antenna and a very professional user manual. Let's take a look at the device. It's very beautiful, as you can see, with an amazing pattern, 3D, very eye candy. Here we have the antenna, which we will put here. Nice. Here we have the IR receiver, the Ugoos logo, a power on off button, ventilation grills, the external antenna, which is detachable, as you saw earlier, a DC input, an optical audio output, HDMI output, 2 USB 2.0 ports, Ethernet, 2 more USB 2.0, so we have 4 USB in total, a TF card slot, MicroSD, and an AV output. On the bottom we find some more grills. This TV box is a monster, guys. It has great specs and you'll see it in action on my full review soon, so stay tuned. To order it with a discount coupon code, check out my video description. Thanks and bye bye.